In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lottie animations in Framer. Lottie animations are a great way to bring your designs to life with lightweight, high-quality motion graphics. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step inside the Framer interface so you can confidently add and customize a Lottie animation in your project. First, make sure you already have a Framer project open. Once you're on the canvas, look towards the top left area of the screen. There, you'll see the Insert option. Go ahead and click on Insert. This is where Framer keeps all the elements you can add to your design, from basic frames and text to more advanced media components. When the Insert panel opens, you'll see different categories. Look for the Media section and click on it. Media is where you'll find things like images, videos, and in this case, Lottie. Clicking on Media filters the available elements so you can quickly find the animation tools you need rather than scrolling through everything. Next, inside the Media category, locate the Lottie option and click on it. This tells Framer that you want to add a Lottie animation component to your canvas. Think of the Lottie component as a placeholder that will later be connected to the actual animation file. Once you've selected Lottie, move your cursor over to the canvas. You can now click and drag to draw out the area where you want your animation to appear. Drag to define the size and position, then release to drop the Lottie element on the canvas. If needed, you can always resize and reposition it later by clicking and dragging the corners or edges, just like any other frame in Framer. With the Lottie element selected, look over to the right-hand Properties panel. Here, you'll see options related to your Lottie animation. This is where you connect your actual animation file. You have two main choices. You can paste a URL, or you can upload a file from your computer. If you're using a Lottie file from a service that gives you a direct link, simply copy that link and paste it into the URL field. Framer will pull the animation in automatically. If you have a local JSON Lottie file saved on your machine, choose the upload option and select that file. After the file is connected, you'll